Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to day 5. In today's video, we're going to be working on increasing strength in our lower body as well as massaging the abdominal organs. So let's begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Back is straight, palms are resting in receiving position on your thigh or knees. Close your eyes, chin parallel to the earth. Now as you breathe in, notice the air entering your nostril, the back of your throat, all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, notice the air coming out of your nose. The next time you breathe in, bring both your hands to your belly. Push your belly into your palms, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You can continue to keep your eyes closed. Slowly raise your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Bring your hands to prayer. And slowly as you breathe out, bringing it in front of your chest. Once again, breathe in. Reach up. This time, press your palms against each other. And slowly notice the contraction in your arms. Bring it down. Inhale, last time. Press your fingertips against each other. Face is relaxed. Eyes can stay closed. You may notice some amount of tension even in your shoulders when you do this. There's equal and opposite forces here between your fingers. Release. Breathe in. Last time, simply taking your hands up and coming down. From here, we're going to be doing body rotations. We're going to drop our right shoulder in the direction of the mat, slowly bringing it towards our right knee, belly towards the thigh. Go as low as you can to the floor. Now move it all the way to the other side. We're going to do 3 clockwise, 3 anti-clockwise. See that you don't lift your sit bones off the mat. This time let's coordinate our breath. As you breathe out, bend towards the right. All the way towards the floor or the mat. Now as you breathe in, slowly come up. If you're not comfortable keeping your eyes closed, keep a soft gaze. And back. If you're going to do this on the other side, just noticing how you feel in your waist, in your abdomen, your lower back. 2 more on the left side. 3. Now swing your legs to one side. We're coming back to our favorite pose, the tabletop. Here, you know the drill. Wrist beneath your shoulders, your knees beneath your hip, toes behind your knees. As you breathe in, arch your back. Chest, chin and gaze forward. And this time, as you breathe out, pull your navel back. Just one here. If you want, move slightly. Breath in, arch and reach, engage your toes this time, lift, come to your mountain pose, Pavanmuktasana. Raise your heels off the mat. Now, bend your right knee, drop the left heel onto the mat. We're doing a combination of whatever we did in the last few classes. When we raise, come onto your toes, raise it as high as you can, and then the alternate bending your knee.
Go to 3 on each side. Just breathing in. If you want to just move your neck side to side, turning to look towards the knee that is bent, and the other side. From here, we're going to come back to tabletop. Now keep your toes engaged. Lift your knees up, back is in neutral position. Hovering tabletop, hold 1. Stay here. 2. Pull your navel in. And 3. Reach. Drop your heels back. Parvatasana, arms in line with your ears. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now one more variation on this. Drop your knees. This time, instead of keeping my toes engaged, I'm going to place the front of my foot on the mat. Palms stay where they are. Press into the mat. Lift your knees up. So the front of your foot is pressing, hold. You can actually feel this in your belly. Breathe in. 2 and 1. Release. Sit back and stretch in Shashankasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. Engage your toes. One last time. Come all the way into your mountain. Press your palms. Walk your hands towards, your knees can stay bent here, towards your toes. And again, pressing into the mat. Walk it away. One last time. Pull your navel in. And back. All the way back. I'm going to step here. Walk my feet between my palms. Padahastasana. Keep my legs wide. Breathe out completely. Bend my knees. Now breathe in. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Completely collapse into the mat. This time, I'm going to come all the way up. Inhale. Reach your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Breathe out. Bend your elbows. Pushing your elbows towards each other. Shoulder blades towards the midline. We're working on that muscle between. All the way from our upper back. Between our shoulder blades. Stay here. Again, breathe in. Reach up. Breathe out. Pull forward. The knees can stay bent here in Padahastasana. From here, we're going to come to Virabhadrasana. Reach your hands all the way up. Virabhadrasana 1. Step your right leg behind so that the toes point the long end of the mat. Diagonally point the long end of the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up. Press all the four corners of your right as well as your left foot into the mat. Knees stacked over the ankle, trying to bring your left thigh parallel. From here, I'm going to turn to Virabhadrasana 2. Here, if you notice, I'm going to adjust my feet so that if I draw a line from the center of my heel on the left side, I should be able to kind of bisect the arch on the right. Then from here, you can stay here to Parshva Konasana, but you can go further. Stretch. Draw circles in your arm. 1, 2, and 3 clockwise. Your choice, okay? You can stay wherever you want to. 2, and last one. Breathe in, reach your hands up. Spin your legs if you want. 1 forward fold. Heels behind your toes. Prasarita Paduttanasana. From here, come all the way up. Spin your right leg towards the right side of the room. Stack your right knee. We're going to go to Virabhadrasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice what's happening with your feet. Press and hold. 2 Turn and look towards your fingertips. Right side, drop and reach. Again, 1, 2, and 3. You can either look towards your fingertips or the right side of the room, or you can look straight ahead, your choice. And 3, bring your hands onto the mat. Bring both your legs together, shake it out. Come down to lying on your belly. We're going to press our palms beneath our shoulder. Rest our forehead. Bring both our legs together as close as we can. From here, I'm slowly going to take my palms off the mat. It's like just hovering over the mat. Breathe in. Lift your chest off the mat. We practiced the last few sessions we had placing our palms here, coming to Bhujangasana. This time, just using the strength in your lower back to hold and release. Take long, deep breaths in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. From here, I'm just going to roll over onto my back. Lie down. Hug my knees to my chest. Pavanmuktasana. Just rock side to side. If there's any tension in your lower back. Straighten the left. Keep your right knee bent. Now here you have a choice. You can simply stay here, or you can bring your chin in the direction of your knee. See what works for you. I'm just going to, for the first round, I'm going to stay here. Bring my left toe to point towards the ceiling. Try and keeping my knee as straight as I can. Just imagine you have this huge clock here. Your toes are pointing at 12 o'clock. From 12, go all the way to 3, 6. If possible, don't let your heel rest. We're going to go 3 rounds. 2. This is Pavanmuktasana Kriya. And 1. Now press your heel towards the ceiling. This time I'm going to try and bring my chin in the direction of my knee. Now with your heel, we're going to go anti-clockwise. From you're at 12, go all the way to 9, 6 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Here now slowly bend your knees, hug both your knees again. If you want, you can also hold the back of your thighs and pull it towards you. If you're going to do it, do the same thing on the other side. Toes point away, big circles. 1, 2 and 3. Just imagine how big you want your clock to be. Now press your heels, reverse. 3, 2, keeping your face relaxed, and 1. Hug both your knees again. Nice. Last one here. Take a deep breath in. Completely relax. Stretch your legs out. Arms come to rest next to you. Close your eyes. Let's come to lying down in Savasana, closing our eyes. Noticing the movement happening in our abdominal region. On your next breath, as you breathe in, notice your belly move up towards the ceiling, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Collapse your whole body onto the mat. This time, bringing your attention to the tip of your nose. And as you breathe in, notice the cool air entering your nostrils. As you breathe out, notice the warm air coming out of your nostril. This time you can feel the warm air on the top of your upper lip. Bring both your feet together, arms come to rest next to your body. Take a deep breath in, we'll chant one round of Om. You can continue to lie down here as long as you want to. I hope you enjoyed doing this session with me today. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Namaste.